Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to write phone number in Excel. Writing phone numbers in Excel can be tricky because the program often removes the leading zero or convert long numbers into scientific notations. So the quickest way is to use the N apostrophe before typing the number. So you need to type a single apostrophe, which is here apostrophe, and now type the number and hit enter. So Excel will treat the entry as text, keeping the leading zero and exact digits. The apostrophe will not show up in the cell itself, only in the formula bar. Moreover, if you have a whole columns of number to enter, then select the cells or entire columns and then right click and go to the format cells. In the category list, you need to select the text and click OK, and now type the phone number. And here you can see that Excel treat is as a text. So moreover, you can also use the built-in font format. For this, you need to select the cells or column. For example, I select a column and right click and go to the format cells. And in the category list, go to the special and select the phone number and click OK, and now type the phone number. For example, 923334512233 and hit enter. And here you can see that. This is another example. Moreover, if you need to include a plus sign and a country code, then select the cells and press Ctrl 1 or either. Right click and go to the format cells and go to the customs and remove the general and type the and enter a code like plus hash hash space hash 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 dash and then again 3 times hash dash and 4 times hash. Click OK and now type the code. For example, 333452119 and here you can see that a plus symbol is inserted. And when you type the mobile number with the country code like 5923334521122 and hit enter, and it will be a bit like this. So I hope you understand how you can write phone number in Excel with ease. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.